In this video, I want to show you how to earn $452 just by listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online these days. How does it work? We're about to find out. This is how to earn $450 per song by just listening to music online. Wait! I noticed that only 4% of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing and turn on notifications. It's free and you can always change your mind later. And that way, you will be able to get notified whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Towards, of course, make the most money. Now, let's get started on how to earn $452 just by listening to music. The first thing I want you to do is head over to soundcloud.com. Basically, on this website, you can discover and find different music and songs to listen to. This is absolutely free. You don't have to spend any money to get your account on SoundCloud. As you can see here, there's a lot of different trending music that you can listen to. And all this music right here is available in different languages. Also, the best part of it is that you can download SoundCloud official app into your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether you're using an Android smartphone or an iPhone, you can still download the app without paying any money. If you are using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for SoundCloud Music and Audio, and the app will look like this page you're seeing on the screen. Just make sure you download the right app because there are many similar apps. On the other hand, if you are using an iPhone, you can just go to the Apple Store as well and download the same app, as you can see from the screen. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know the type of device you are using, Android phone or an iPhone. Let me know. Once you've downloaded SoundCloud app into your smartphone, you are now able to discover and explore various music to listen to. When I open the app, what I usually do is I scroll down below and I click on this button right here, which is to explore trending playlists. From there, we will be taken to this page where you can find all the trending music classified into different categories. That's to say, if you want to listen to this music in this particular category, just click on it and from there, you will be taken to this page. The next thing I want you to do is click on this play button right here to start listening to this music. Actually, there is a playlist associated with the song. As you can see from here, there are 50 plus tracks in this playlist and you can listen to all of this music on your Android smartphone or iPhone. Now that you understand how you can find music on SoundCloud, I want to introduce you to A2ZLyrics.com, where you can look for different music lyrics. There's a lot of music available on this platform. For example, if I want to look for the lyrics of the song by Charlie Puth's Light Switch, all I have to do is to enter the artist name or song title right here and select the song from this drop-down result. And from there, I am going to be taken to this page where I can just listen to the music. Please, I want you to take careful notes of this next part so that you don't make any mistakes. As you can see from here, this is the name of the song and these are the entire lyrics of it. This is an incredible opportunity for you to actually listen to the music and transcribe the lyrics. So for a very simple song like this, usually ranging from 2 to 4 minutes long, you can easily make some dollars over and over again simply by transcribing. Now, take a look at this for every single audio minute. You will get paid $1.50 just by listening to music and transcribing it into lyrics. The standard length for a typical song is about 3 to 4 minutes. So based on this earnings, you can earn $4.50 per song. So the next thing that I want you to do is to head over to the next website, which is rev.com. On this website, you can find different job opportunities to transcribe a lot of music. There are different categories of jobs that you can do on this website, such as transcription, caption, and foreign subtitles. For example, once you finish listening to any music right here and you transcribe it into lyrics, you will get paid for every single minute of the audio you transcribe. Make sure you keep watching this video because I will show you several software which you can use without spending money that will do all the work for you. Now, let's go back to rev.com. What I want you to do now is to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on freelancers under the About section. From there, you will be taken to this page where you can earn money online just by transcribing or captioning from home. The best part about this website is that you can work as much or as little as you want and whenever you want. You also have the independence of selecting projects that actually interest you. You will also receive weekly payouts for all work completed straight into your PayPal account. Now, when you scroll down from this page, you will see that there are basically 2 categories of jobs on this website, transcriptionist and captioner. So I want you to select transcriptionist and click on learn more. That will then take you to this page where you can read around the website for more information and everything you need to know. For example, this is how you can sign up and get approved to start transcribing. All you have to do is just to enter your first name, last name, email address, and your country. As you can see here, they are basically accepting people from all over the world. It does not matter from which country you are coming from. You can join this opportunity from wherever you are right now. That's to say, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from, so that I will be able to create specific videos for your region in my future videos. Now, I am going to show you another website that you can use to transcribe so that you can maximize your earnings and earn double the money. Are you ready? Okay. Another website that you can sign up for, listen to music and get paid by simply transcribing the music into lyrics is goldtranscript.com. So simply head over to the Gold Transcript website and scroll to the very bottom of the page and click on Work. Basically, the pay competitive rates for online transcription jobs. As you can see here from your screen, for every single audio or video minute, you get paid $0.60. This means that for a typical 3-minute song, you can earn $1.80 for listening and transcribing it. Also, as you can see here, there are a quite number of benefits that come with working with this website. So, if you want to sign up for a free account and start making money, all you have to do is just click on this Apply Now button right here, and from there, you will be taken to this page where you can create your free account. To do so, just enter your email address and password and just click on the sign up button. As simple and easy as that. Now, a bonus tip that I want to share with you is that you should sign up on a multiple platforms such as goldtranscript.com and rev.com, because by doing that, you can get more job opportunities worldwide. Now that you have signed up on both websites and are ready to make money transcribing music into lyrics, here's the next step. I want you to head over to this website, goldtranscribe.com. This is a free web app as well that will make the transcription job very simple. Now I want you to click on this blue button right here so you can start transcribing. All you need is a link or the downloaded music file to start. For example, if you go to SoundCloud to get music to transcribe, you should be able to find this share button. When you click on this button, it's going to open up this box where you can actually find a link to this particular music track. This here is the entire share link of the music track. So all you need is to copy this link right here and download the music file. The next step is simple. Just click on this button right here to upload the music file that you have just downloaded. And from there, this free tool will help you automatically transcribe the entire soundtrack. But sometimes, it will have a little bit of grammatical errors that you have to correct manually. Right now, I will share with you another bonus tip that will help you multiply your earnings when you go to rev.com. As you can see here, a typical transcription job will pay you $1.50 per minute. But when you look at foreign subtitles, they pay from $3 up to $7 per minute. These are very high earnings. So, let me show you what you can do. Let us go back to SoundCloud. You can find here different kind of music in foreign languages that are not English. The reason why they are paying you a very much higher rate is that it's a bit challenging to transcribe music from different foreign languages into English. This brings us to the next website, deepl.com, which is a free online translator like Google Translate. You can use this tool to translate music from foreign language into English. Say, for example, Portuguese music into English. It also works the other way around. That is translating English music into any language that you want, like French, German, Spanish, or any other language. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video that is going to pop up now for you to discover the best way to make money watching YouTube videos, which are some of the best ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.